Right, in this one I'm going to show you how to fix a pull cord. So if your string's dangling out of it and it won't work anymore, I'll show you how to do that. But I've been working on this thing all day. It turns out there's a fault in the engine because I've snapped 4 pull cords in a row. This one's just stripped from the spring, so we'll get to it. All we've got to do, track the bolt in the middle. You need to be careful because there's a spring under here, and if it's came off its runner, it can be a nightmare. It can expand out to about 3 feet wide in a flash. There's a spring, and we slowly lift and turn. All the bits fall out. Right, now where are we? Can you see? I'll bring you in. Right, you have this spring coiled up around the inside, pushing out against the wall. We have this little clip here. This should actually be bent a bit. So, turn down for what? So we bend that into place, make it a bit more pronounced of a bend rather than so open. And then we want to get the whole spring, we want to get this part here, the open edge, up about here. So you're just getting the spring, giving it a little bend, and that should start it off. Now we should just flip it over, slot it back in. You might have to give it a wiggle. There we go. It's biting on. So we are on it. So then we stick the pawl back in, spiky side up. Then this little collet here has flat bottom side and a spiky side, that's the top. So we just throw that in. Put the spring on top. Just put the bolt back in again. All the way down, snug it right up, good and tight. Works on a bearing surface, so as long as it's tight, the vibration won't get to it. Right, now, string, you're going to want to pull the string. Oh, that was on the handle. I'll put you back over a minute. Just get the string from in here and pull it back through. Now I just sit it down and use this big plastic chunk here to hold it when I'm turning it. Just keep putting your thumb over the rope every time it's coming around. That feels a little bit tight, I don't want to strip it out, so I'm going to check that by letting the string go through. And it's nowhere near pulling that in, so pull it back out again, hold the plastic, bring the string back through, and then we continue winding. So we know it's only got half the cord going in. Now we'll pull it through, and it's nearly there, so we know one more cycle is going to do it. So we pull it out, we hold our plastic clip, pop our string through, give it one more extra wind, like that. Pull the cord out, let it unwind by itself, and then slowly let it in, Kaboom! One pull cord. Done. Sorted. As easy as that. Now I need to not stick it back on this engine because it's just going through stuff like crazy. So I don't know what to do. We might have to pull this apart and patch all this up and get this one going. But I need to open this up anyway, find out. But that's how to do your pull start, and it'll work on any pull start, although this is a metal one with the casing coming out. Works just the same on the big wide L-shaped ones, the big plastic ones. So there you go. And if it helped you in any way, please do leave a like or a comment, and if you sub and comment, I'll hit you back the same. But yeah, leave a like if this helped you out in any way. Thanks guys. Bye.